Program Manager of Women for Health to please show this audience the efforts that the Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria and Women for Health have put into place that has resulted in what is before us now. So I would like to hand over this microphone to the Registrar of the Council.
Thank you, Director of Education. On behalf of the board, the management, I wish to sincerely thank our partners, Women for Health, for taking the ball in heart and supported from the beginning up to the productions of this manual with the interests of nursing professions and Nigerians. I therefore unveil this document to be used immensely for improvement of our nursing education. Thank you. Students of training boards at collegiate systems and at university level. So that's this document and very rich in terms of imparting knowledge. We want to thank our partners, Women for Health, most sincerely for this giant strike. Thank you very much. Thank you.